Hi friends, you are watching my channel Dr. Subrata Mukherjee Distance Learning in Commerce. Today we are going to discuss another problem on hire purchase. I would like to request all the viewers to subscribe the channel and to see the playlist section of the channel where I have uploaded lectures on accounts, costing, financial management and management accounting. I have created this channel for the benefits of students of commerce. Please give your valuable comments so that I can develop the channel further for the benefits of the students.
ESS Limited has a hire purchase department. Goods are sold on hire purchase at a profit of 25% on sales price. From the following particulars, prepare necessary accounts in the books of ESS Limited for the year ended 31st March 2021. Balance on 1st April 2020. Stock in hand, that is the stock at shop, is rupees 10,000. Installment due rupees 6,000. Stock out with customers at higher purchase price is rupees 80,000. During the year ended 31st March 2021, goods sold on higher purchase at higher purchase price rupees 1,76,000. Purchases 1,36,000. Cash received 1,60,000. Balance on 31st March 2021. Stock in hand, that is stock at shop, is rupees 14,000 and stock out with customer at higher purchase price is rupees 92,000. The installment due which is given for rupees 6,000, it is the overdue installment. It is the overdue installment. And the stock out with customer at higher purchase price for rupees 80,000, this is the installment not yet due as on 1st April 2020. And the goods sold on higher purchase at higher purchase price rupees 1,76,000. This is the money that you are going to receive in future. This is the money that you are going to receive in installment in the current year as well as in the next year. Purchase represents the goods that you have purchased for the shop, and out of these goods, the goods will be sold at shop for cash and some goods will be sold at a higher purchase price. But in this particular problem, all the purchases has been sold at a higher purchase price. And this is the amount of cash received from the customers. This includes both the installment which is due for the current year as well as from the overdue installment, that is the debtors. Then the balance on 31st March 2021, you have two balances given, that is the stock at shop and the installment which is not yet due. Now again, this is the installment which is not due. So this is very important. I will try to explain the balances where these things will be posted in the respective ledgers. Please note that the balance on 31st March 2021 for the overdue installment is not given. We need to calculate while solving the problem. Here, you are supposed to prepare the necessary ledgers to record the transactions given in the questions. Now, there are two methods. One is the HP stock and data method, and the other one is the hire purchase trading method. Now, first of all, we will prepare the ledgers as per the HP stock and data method. So, for that purpose, you need to prepare these 5 ledgers. Number 1 is the hire purchase stock account, 2 the shop stock account, 3 the hire purchase debtor account, 4 goods sold on hire purchase account, and the 5th one is the hire purchase adjustment account. Now I will proceed with the solution and I will explain the importance of the ledger and the relation of one ledger with the other. So the first balance given in the question is the stock in hand, and that is the stock at shop is rupees 10,000. So where it is to be recorded? So SOP at stock is to be recorded in the SOP stock account. So here you have to write the date, that is on 1st April 2020. To balance BD is the rupees 10,000. So the stock in hand, that is at SOP, of rupees 10,000 will be recorded in the SOP stock account to balance BD as rupees 10,000. Next is the installment due, rupees 6,000. So this represents the overdue installment. I have already explained. So it is to be recorded in hire purchase debtor account. So on 1st April 2020, you can write here to balance BD rupees 6,000. Next is the stock out with customer at hire purchase price rupees 80,000. So this balance will be recorded in hire purchase stock account on 1st April 20 to balance BD rupees 80,000. Now this is the installment that you are going to receive, and this installment is not yet due, that is on 1st April 2020. And it is given in the question that the customer or that the company is selling the goods by adding 25% on the sales price. So we have to calculate what is the load on this rupees 80,000. So in the hire purchase adjustment account, I am going to write on 1st April 2020 by balance BD 80,000 into 25%. So this represents rupees 20,000. The next transaction is the transaction during the year, that is the goods sold on hire purchase at hire purchase price. So this will be recorded in the goods sold on hire purchase account. So on 31st March 2021, I am writing here by hire purchase stock account. Hire purchase stock account rupees 1,76,000. So I have to record in hire purchase stock account also, that is on 31st March 21, I am writing to goods sold on hire purchase account rupees 1,76,000. Now in the goods sold on hire purchase ledger account, I am going to write the cost price of this 1,76,000 and where it will be posted. Let us see. So on the debit side of the goods sold on hire purchase account, you have to record the transactions, that is on 31st March 21 to SOP stock account. SOP stock account. Now here the cost price of rupees 1,76,000 will be recorded, that this is 75% of the sale price. So this is rupees 1,32,000. So cost price of 1,32,000, the hire purchase price is 1,76,000. This means that from the SOP stock account, the goods costing rupees 1,32,000 has been sold on hire purchase price at a price of rupees 1,76,000. So in the SOP stock account, I am going to record it on the credit side, that is on 31st March 21 by goods sold on hire purchase account. So this is rupees 1,32,000. So in the goods sold on hire purchase account, I have recorded to SOP stock account 1,32,000, which is the cost price of the goods sold on hire purchase. And in the SOP stock account, I have recorded on the credit side by goods sold on hire purchase rupees 1,32,000. And the balancing figure represents the load. So this will be recorded in hire purchase adjustment account. So in hire purchase adjustment account, you are going to record the balancing figure of rupees 44,000. So this way you are closing this ledger goods sold on hire purchase account 1,76,000, 1,76,000. So in the hire purchase adjustment account on 31st March 21, I have to record this load as by goods sold on hire purchase account rupees 44,000. So you can see the relation of goods sold on hire purchase account with hire purchase stock account, with swap stock account, and the hire purchase adjustment account. So goods sold on hire purchase, so I have recorded by HP stock, that is hire purchase stock account, as 1,76,000, and in hire purchase stock account I have recorded two goods sold on hire purchase account rupees 1,76,000. Then on the debit side I have recorded two swap stock account 1,32,000, and in the swap stock account I have recorded by goods sold on hire purchase account 1,32,000. And the balancing figure in the goods sold on hire purchase account represents the load that has been recorded in hire purchase adjustment account. The next transaction given in the question is regarding the price of goods purchased at rupees 1,36,000. So this will be recorded in the swap stock account. So in the swap stock account I am going to write on 31st March 21 to purchase account 1,36,000. The next transaction is the cash receipt from customer for rupees 1,60,000. So this will be recorded in hire purchase debtor account on 31st March 21 by cash. That is cash account debit to hire purchase debtor 1,60,000. So this means this is the matured installment plus the overdue installment regarding the cash that you have collected from the hire purchase debtor account. Okay, so by cash 1,60,000. The balances on 31st March 21 given, that is stock in hand for rupees 14,000. So you have to record in the swap stock account on 31st March 21 by balance CD 14,000. So this is swap stock account given 14,000. So both side, debit side and credit side of swap stock account, you have a total of 1,46,000. 1,46,000. And the next balance given for the stock out with customer at hire purchase price for rupees 92,000. So in the hire purchase stock account I am going to record as by balance CD 92,000. And the load on 92,000 I have to record in hire purchase adjustment account. So you have to record here to balance CD 92,000 into 25%. This is equal to 23,000. Now you have to close the hire purchase stock account. So the balancing figure represents the matured installment during the year. So this is 2,56,000. You have to record it in the debit side, and on the credit side also I am writing 2,56,000. And the balancing figure in the hire purchase stock account represents the matured installment, that is by hire purchase debtor account. Hire purchase debtor account. This is 1,64,000. This figure is very important and you are going to record it in the hire purchase debtor account. So by hire purchase debtor account 1,64,000. This represents the matured installment. Please note 1,64,000 is the matured installment due for the current year. Now in the hire purchase debtor account I am recording on 31st March 21 to hire purchase stock account 1,64,000. So this figure you are going to transfer it to hire purchase debtor account as 1,64,000. I am recording here. So total of hire purchase debtor debit side is 1,70,000. So the balancing figure in the hire purchase debtor account represents the overdue installment on 31st March 21. So by balance CD is rupees 10,000. So you got a balance in the hire purchase debtor account which represents the overdue installment for rupees 10,000. So here I am writing hire purchase adjustment account. You are having a balancing figure which represents the profit on hire purchase. So on 31st March 21, I am transferring the balance to profit and loss account. This is the profit on hire purchase, which is rupees 41,000. So you can see the relation of these ledgers, one ledger with the other. So I expect that you have understood the problem the way I have solved it here, and now I am going to record the transaction in the hire purchase trading account. So the hire purchase trading method, in this method you have to prepare only three ledger. Number one is the hire purchase trading account. Number two, hire purchase debtor account, and the hire purchase sales account. So now you will see the difference between the two methods, how the transactions is recorded. The first transaction is the opening balance. So stock in hand at shop rupees 10,000. So this amount will be recorded in hire purchase trading account on 1st April 20 to opening stock at shop rupees 10,000, and with customer, and this will be recorded at cost. So 80,000 is the balance of stock out with customer at higher purchase price, rupees 80,000 into 75% is 60,000, and in the hire purchase debtor account you are going to record on 1st April 20 to balance BD. In hire purchase debtor, the overdue installment of 6,000 and the unmatured installment of rupees 80,000 both will be recorded together, that is 86,000. And in the hire purchase sales account, I am going to write on 1st April 20 by balance BD rupees 80,000. So the opening balances of the stock at shop I have recorded in the hire purchase trading account as two opening stock at shop rupees 10,000. Then the overdue installment I have recorded it in hire purchase debtor account 6,000 plus 80,000, that is 86,000. And in hire purchase sales account I have recorded as by balance BD 80,000, and in the hire purchase trading account, that is the stock with customer, is rupees 60,000 at cost. Next is the goods sold on hire purchase at hire purchase price for rupees 1,76,000. So this will be recorded in the hire purchase sales and in the hire purchase debtor. So in hire purchase sales you have to record as by hire purchase debtor account 1,76,000, and in hire purchase debtor account you have to record as to hire purchase sales account 1,76,000. So this is the goods which has been sold to the debtors on hire purchase during the year, that is for 1,76,000. The next transaction is the purchase of goods for rupees 1,36,000, which will be recorded in hire purchase trading account. So on 31st March 21 I am writing to purchase 1,36,000. Next is the amount collected from debtor. So in the hire purchase debtor account I am writing on 31st March 21 by cash account 1,60,000. Next is the balance of rupees 14,000. So in hire purchase trading account I am writing on 31st March 21 by closing stock at shop 14,000 and with customer at cost 92,000 into 75%, that is 69,000. And in the debtor account, I have to record on 31st March 21 by balance CD. So within bracket I am writing this 92,000 because you need to calculate what is the balance of debtor, that is the installment which is overdue. So here the total is 2,62,000 and the closing or the balancing figure in the hire purchase debtor account is rupees 1,02,000. So you have already calculated the balance with customer as 92,000 and the remaining balance from 1,02,000, that is 1,02,000 minus 92,000 is rupees 10,000. So this is the overdue installment. And in the hire purchase sales, you have to record as to balance CD rupees 92,000. Now in hire purchase sales, the balancing figure represents the matured installment for the year. So this is to be transferred from the hire purchase trading account. This is the matured installment for rupees 1,64,000. So I am recording it as balancing figure in the hire purchase sales. So total of the credit and the debit side is rupees 2,56,000. Now in hire purchase trading account, you have to record the matured installment as by hire purchase sales as 1,64,000, and the balancing figure in the hire purchase trading account represents the profit and loss from hire purchase. So to profit and loss account is rupees 41,000. So you will get a total of 2,47,000 in the hire purchase trading account. So this is the way you have to record the transactions in the two methods, that is the stock debtor method and the hire purchase trading method. So I would like to request the students to record the transactions in your notebook properly and to see the difference between the two methods. The difference is regarding the recording of the transaction in the respective ledgers. Thank you.
Thanks for watching the lecture.